RSC is a rapid set cement that when added to either sand to create a mortar or stone to create a concrete is a right first time repair for all concrete substrates. Some of the benefits of using RSC is that you can design the batch mix on site. So if we just want to create a mortar, we add sand. If we want to create a concrete, we can add ballast, or we can have a design mix in between those two. And we can vary performance from a 3-to-1 mix, maybe up to a 6-to-1 mix, and add different varying levels of water as well. So we have more versatility than a pre-blended material. You would use RSC when we have large quantities that we need to mix and batch at once, such as facilities management companies putting in concrete bases or contractors putting in shed bases. When we have large volume that would make 25 kilo pre-blended packs just not worthwhile, that's perfect for RSC. RSC is mixed and applied by adding the rapid set cement itself, so it's just a cement that comes in a bag. You would then add your own sand and ballast, so typically we'd wet the ballast up or wet the sand up first with a nominal amount of water, add the cement in. As the cement and the ballast mix, we can then tweak the water as we go through, but a design mix would be a 25 kilo bag of RSC to 60 kilos of either sand or aggregate, and then the necessary water that goes with that as well.